I just wanted to say before I start this video that when I'm doing like orders for customers or like bulk orders or just like orders for my business, I do sanitize everything and I do wear gloves and everything. This is why I like to use disposable things, just to make it a little bit, I guess, cleaner and stuff, so I'm not reusing the same thing. And I normally wear gloves, but since I'm doing a video and I'm just showing you guys one sample pretty much, then I'm just not going to. But yeah, the first thing I do is I grab 2 mixing bowls. You can grab whatever bowl you guys want. I like to use paper plates just because it's easier for me. And then I also like using, I don't have any more plastic spoons, so I'm going to be using forks. So you're going to need 2 of those. Since we are doing 2 different colors, you do not want to mix 2 different colors in one bowl because then you're going to get one color. After you have your bowls, you want to use granulated sugar. I like to use, doesn't matter what brand you use. This is all I have right now. I have not restocked, but you guys can use any granulated sugar you guys want. And then we're just going to put about a tablespoon on each of them. A tablespoon, or it depends on how much you're making, you can add more, but since I'm only making one little sample, and then I always just eyeball them just because I know how much already. In here I have some melted coconut oil because I have the one that's hard and I haven't bought the liquid one, but you can use coconut oil or olive oil or any oil you want, but for this I preferably like coconut oil. You want to do 1 tablespoon per container. And after that, you just want to mix your sugar and your oil. And honestly, it's going to make, I think, a little too little for my jars, so I'm just gonna add more sugar. And it just all depends on the size of your jars as well. Since mine are a little bit bigger, I'm gonna need a little bit more. Now that I have both of my sugars mixed, I'm going to be adding some food coloring. And of course, I'm going to be using the green food coloring as long with the red food coloring, since we're going to be doing the watermelon one. I'm just going to add about 2 drops. You don't want to add a lot. There you go. Ooh, and green one over here. And then you just mix both of them again. And after you have your colors mixed in, you want to add your flavoring oil. I'm using the watermelon flavored, of course, and you do want to add a little bit of this because it goes a long way. And I just got these from Amazon. I'll have everything linked down below for you guys on where I got my things. But I add like about 2 drops on each. Now for my containers, I have 2 different sizes. I have this one right here, and I got this one off Amazon. And then I have this one right here, which I got from the dollar store, and they're actually really good. Like, and they're not cheap materials. So these are for bigger orders, and these are for smaller orders. And I'm going to be using this one right here. Like I said, I'll have everything linked down below. Now we're just going to be adding our sugar in. You just want to pat it all the way at the bottom, since this will like be the first color in. And then, like I said, once I'm doing customer orders, I usually wear gloves just to be a lot more sanitized. But for now, I'm just gonna be using my fingers, since this one's just gonna be for me. and the purpose of the video. And yeah, my fingers are red because of the food coloring I used. I got it all over me. And here's the final product for your watermelon lip scrub. If you guys like these videos, please let me know down in the comments, and I'll for sure have more flavors out and more tutorials on how to do these. And like I said, I will have everything linked down below for you guys to go and order if you guys would like.